several requests from you all that you wanted in-person activities to do with your moms. As a mom of two myself, this makes my heart so happy knowing that you want to play some games and have some fun with your moms. On this channel, I'm all about simple and easy. So these 3 ideas, they all involve cereal boxes. I'm ShawnMHowell. Welcome to my channel. Let's get into today's activities. Here we go. Great Mother's Day activity is to save a bunch of these cereal boxes, and you're gonna need some scissors, and this is a great outdoor activity. All right, let's cut these boxes up and I'll show you how to play outside. All right, I have cut off all of the fronts and the backs of all of the cereal boxes that I had. So let's take these outside and I'll show you what we're gonna do with them. Flip to that one, now you gotta find the back of the box, okay? So flip another one. Is it a match? Let's see. You got a match! Put them together! Yay! Flip 2 over. See if you can find a match. Okay, crunch berries. You're gonna flip another one over. Ooh! Is that one matched? Nope, that's a Lucky Charms one. So those don't match. I don't like to waste things. So use the edges, the sides, the skinny sides of your cereal boxes and make some super awesome bookmarks for your mom. We have our bookmarks. We've cut off the skinny edge and I've kept the brighter ones. I'm not sure this one over here makes that great of a bookmark, but the rest of these are super fun and super colorful bookmarks. I'll show you in a book. Here, I just thought off my head some witty little sayings to put on the back of the bookmarks. The cool thing about these bookmarks is they're pretty large based on the size of your cereal box. So you can make the bookmarks super long or you can cut them down to size. Great gift for your mom. You can also hole punch the top and thread some ribbon through for a little extra touch. I just thought they were colorful and fun. If you are finding any value in this video, please give it a big thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel because I post fun ideas like this twice a week. All right, activity number 3 is a puzzle. Take that cereal box, cut it into pieces, and make a puzzle for your mom. If you're a mom like me, you can use all of these simple activities that I've talked about today with cereal boxes. You can use these anytime to entertain your kids. What are some awesome things that you've created with cereal boxes? I would love to know. I'm ShawnMHowell. It was awesome hanging out with you today. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.